Good morning, Mary. The patient in room 3 is ready for the exam.
Good morning, John. Thank you. I will go now.
Do you need help with the equipment?
Yes, please. Can you bring the stethoscope?
Of course. Here it is.
Perfect. Let's start.
John, I need to tell you something.
What is it, John?
I think I have a cold. My nose feels bad.
Oh, do you have a mask?
Yes, I have one, but I feel a sneeze coming.
Please step outside for a moment.
Sorry, doctor. Achoo!
John, go outside now, please.
I am so sorry. I put my mask on. Is the patient okay?
Yes, the patient is fine, but next time tell me before we enter the room.
You are right. I am very sorry. It will not happen again.
It is okay. Just be careful. Patient safety is always first.
I understand. Thank you, doctor.
Good. Now, please clean your hands and wait outside. I will finish the exam.
Yes, doctor. Of course.